Good afternoon, students and families. We are excited to have you here for our Fall 2022 induction ceremony for the National Junior Honor Society. I'd like to first congratulate our inductees. Students, you've been working hard, staying dedicated to your studies, and have been a shining example to your classmates. You've made your families, your teachers, and me proud of you and all of your accomplishments. I know you will go on to do great things, and you will accomplish everything you set your mind to. MGLVA considers us lucky to have been a small part of your educational journey. I'd also like to thank our faculty council members, Carrie Myers, Rhonda Singh, Rasha Kanza, Donna Wright, and our chapter advisor, Mary Stanzel, for their hard work in organizing this year's induction ceremony. Let's show a thanks with a round of applause. And now, back to the speaker for our final remarks.